If there is something goes wrong, this is the bigger problem, friends, for most of the people, not you, for everyone. That's why save first, spend later. But most of the people, what they are going to do is spend first. Spend first. All expenses they are going to pay. The remaining some 100 rupees is there. These 100 rupees I will save. This type of habit is the bigger mistake in your life. Remember that. So once you are getting the money, array, let me pay for myself. Let me pay for myself. At least 10% is better to separate. In the 90% you can dance like anything, no problem. So these two action items compulsory required to implement. One action item, saving should be part of the day. Once you are getting the money, compulsory you require to save. Compulsory you require to save. Next, the second, track your expenses. If you are not tracking your expenses, you don't know where the money is going. Even you are earning hundreds of crores also, single paisa also won't be in your hand. Remember this. Suppose best example for you. Visualize this one. I gave you a bucket to you, a jug. Array, can you please fill this bucket with the water with the help of this jug? Then what you are going to do? You will take the water from a big drum and then you are trying to fill this bucket. So definitely, how much time you will take to fill that bucket with the complete water? Respond, friends. How much time you can take? Hardly 3 minutes, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes. That bucket is going to be filled. Correct, right? Ayyo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
జగ్ ఒకటి ఇచ్చి డ్రమ్లో వాటర్ ఉన్నాయి, బకెట్లో పోయిండ్రా అంటే, సో there is a water in the drum. From that drum, I require to take the water, okay, by using jug, and I will fill in the bucket. Hardly 3 minutes or 5 minutes, the bucket is going to be filled. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Assume that the bucket has multiple holes at the bottom. Multiple holes are there at the bottom. Then, when the bucket is going to be filled? Never. How much you are going to save? If the gaps, leaks are there is no use of your savings. That's why compulsory to identify such a type of leaks, you require to track your expenses.